Despite a heavy downpour that temporarily disrupted the gathering, the two leaders remained on site with their supporters, determined to deliver their message of solidarity and hope. When the rain subsided, Honorable Persis Namuganza took to the podium, outlining several challenges affecting the people of Bukono County, including poor road networks, unemployment, and lack of clean water. She also revealed her intention to elevate Bukono to district status. Namuganza reaffirmed her people's readiness to support President Museveni, provided the government continues addressing their socio-economic concerns.
Right Honorable, President Namutumba ensonga yaife eya district ya Ivukula kyali kiragiro kye kifudde omuzira nadona mu Busoga okufuuka district Bukono neri mu kisaze ikulu ino erivaamu bakyabazinga zeyi nagebe mu nyanga wairenga tindinte bya sente tibyangu aye oluguudo olwo lukolebwe ku maama President nti waneno twasaba mini industrial park eitaka lya industrial park liriwo Right Honorable twalifunaira Ministry ya Trade bulidde kova ku idoli tongoza tubalindirire baide batongoze mini industrial park eyo abavuga bafune ku mirimu byamaanyi bikali bibi amaani wano amanayiko tagasinga gakaze nga President bwe yakoba nti enkola ya borehole eri kusaanawo tuli kwizaawo diipu weeru sababu kono ebe considered because mama abantu abanamadi ge bali kuno abayizeyere.
When Right Honorable Kadaga took the microphone, she began by apologizing to the crowd for the rain interruption. Before emphasizing the importance of unity among the Busoga, she urged them to let go of the past political misunderstandings, especially those stemming from the NRM SEC elections, and standing together for President Museveni's victory in 2026.
Aye katonda bapasi wakomye abanazisa bisiwera byonna aye mwe balina okuyitamu bali okugumira mpewo n'ebintu ebindi bana tuli kutambula okubakakasa nti ebintu ebyaliwo ebyatukosa mwabimanya byatukosa zena byakosa ng'omuntu ayini kubasaba nti olw'okuyimirwa Busoga
Kadaga also praised President Museveni's contributions towards the region's development, setting improvements in education, health, youth empowerment, and infrastructure, and promised to continue advocating for Busoga's interests at the national level.
akali kuida nivuka byetu liku n'ekyo tulandi gapana bana ensonga lwaki ndi basaba atugomere alala ningi kwaendage makutondo biti kukonga kulongosebwa bulimi musabe tractors musabe bitu ebingi okusubira ekisanda kino okwongera mu amaani okulongosa ebyobulimi tubenti abantu basobola esente mu bulimi edesobola mwakansa bano olwaleero tubone nti amakole galiza mu byalo byaife ensonga industrial park ettaka liriwo nga byakyogerere tuze byonna bibeewo ebya tourism mu science and technology kalimagezi tukongera okutambuza enjiri ya kalimagezi masomero gaife colleges zaife abana benga basobola kubano yabanga akole mu Bulaya engate bano Ivukula ebyo tukwenda obikola abavuka baife abatalante ezindi bona watukwenda kubagemako tubone nti abembi abadrama n'abandi
The Ivukula rally marked a renewed chapter of political reconciliation in Busoga as leaders came together under one message: unity, service, and support for President Museveni's continued leadership.